Right, Tim here. Welcome to my video of how I built my trailer for a trike. You can see I've got a nice Harley Davidson trike, and I bought a roof box to make some kind of streamlined trailer. The goal will be to get it resprayed and painted to look just like the trike. Here's a Photoshop of how it might look. So I started with the roof box upside down and building a timber frame. Obviously I'll make the trailer in metal eventually. So I was building a prototype, make something that fits. And here's my first idea. It's a rectangle really, that the legs are temporary there just to get it the right height. And here we are, just seeing how long the nose needs to be. The rear of the trailer needs some uprights to hold a number plate, and this is how it looks so far. It looks fairly rudimentary, not very exciting. So while I'm working, the trike's gone off to the workshop to have a tow bar fitted. So at the rear of the trike, I didn't like the timber sticking up, so I was practicing with some pipe work, get some curves going on. And a view of the trailer from the front. You can see I've got wheel arches on it now and so on. It was decided that the rectangle shape was far too heavy and clumsy, and it was then rebuilt as a T shape, which didn't hold enough support of the back, so that was changed to a cross shape, a cross with a couple of extra cross members. As you can see, it's a lot more lightweight and should be sturdy enough, especially when it's made out of some steel. So I'll put the roof box on again just to check it all works, see how it's fitting together. It's beginning to look something like a trailer. On the rear of the trailer I need something to hold a number plate and some lights, so I've made a paper template and cut out some cheap wood just to get the shape of something that might sit on the back. And there we are with some nice lights I found on the internet and some random number plate that was kicking about the garage, with the overall trailer starting to look like this, ready to house the roof box on it. Slightly different view, try and get it all in one go. It does look fairly neat and lightweight. Some extra fixings above each wheel to hold the mud guards or wheel arches. Okay, I've had to extend the cross member, you can probably just see that, to get that fixed on properly. This was rather exciting. I did a nice design for the rear plate and it got it laser cut out of 5mm steel, and at some point this will be chrome plated. Really excited with this bit. The laser cutting is really superb. And then over to the workshop. A friend of mine has been helping me build this and did all the welding for me. It's starting to look like a real trailer at long last. This rear T section is what holds the board on the back with the number plate and lights, and there it is, balanced in position. You'll see we've put a new upright, so we've now got 3 fixing points for the wheel arches because they did vibrate a bit, and a nice leg at the back, so when the trailer tips up nothing gets damaged. There it is, nearing completion in the workshop. And here it is, we've put the roof box back on top. Check it from a few angles. Really excited, this is how I expected it to turn out. And there's the finished metalwork. It now needs to be finished, so it will be sent off to the powder coaters and the chrome platers. Here it is in the boot of the car, off to the powder coaters.